PV pallets are uniquely designed for modular stacking. Correctly stacking PV pallets will help ensure your personnel are kept safe and your panels intact. Using a forklift, stack an erected PV pallet onto another erected PV pallet. Ensure the fingers of the bottom pallet's sidewall are securely nested in the top pallet. When stacked correctly, the top pallet will be flush against the sidewalls of the bottom pallet and will be visibly nested in place. Next, here are some tips to identify if your pallets are stacked incorrectly. If pallets are not stacked correctly, there will be a visible gap between the bottom pallet and the top pallet, and the bottom pallet's fingers will be visible. Take note, incorrectly stacking PV pallets will increase the risk of damage to your panels and/or injuries to personnel. Here's a comparison of correctly and incorrectly stacked PV pallets. If you have any questions, contact us. Thank you for using PVpallet.